Okay, so now we will see the auto part. So we have seen the manual part. Now for auto part, we will first switch this to auto. Okay, so this auto part is done, and now this three, okay, the X channel and the Y channel and the ground has to be connected with the channel 1 and channel 2 of the digital signal oscilloscope, and this is working in the XY mode right now. Okay, so you can see that you are seeing a spectrum automatically. Okay, now you can see this is not very clear, the amplitude, you can't differentiate between the amplitudes. So what we will do here, we will increase the filament voltage. Okay. And now you see that, okay, that, okay, it will take some time, and you can see that the amplitude is increasing. Okay, so you can now see that automatically on DSO you can see the spectrum of Franker's experiment, okay, for the argon gas. Okay, so this is how it is. So here you can use the scanning voltage now. Okay, so see now it is going out of scale, so I will have to decrease the filament voltage by some amount so that it remains inside the frame. Okay, so I am decreasing it a bit. Okay, so it will again come in the frame. So that is the advantage of filament voltage. If you want to increase the amplitude of the peaks, okay, then the filament voltage is used. And always keep in mind that when you are working in auto mode, these three knobs are not working. Okay, so it is automatically sweeping the voltages, and you are getting this, okay, spectrum. And if I increase, so this is the scanning voltage is kept at a maxima, so you can see that there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 peaks. Okay, now if I decrease the scanning voltage, so you can see that now there are only 5 peaks. Okay, now there is only 4 peaks. Okay, so you can see that this is the advantage of the scanning voltage, that what it does basically is it decreases the range of VG2K. So automatically this thing, okay, shrinks. Okay, so if I increase scanning voltage, then more and more peaks I will get, but maximum it will go up till 6 peaks. Okay, so this is the use of filament, and this is the use of scanning voltage. We have already seen what is the use of this three thing. Okay, so this is the explanation for Franker's experiment, and this was the demonstration. Okay.